What's up, two-way gang? This is Rizzo, owner of Ophidian Technical Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to field strip your Glock 19. Let's go. Alright, two-way gang. So today we got the Glock 19 Gen 5, and we're going to show you how to field strip, break it down to the parts you need to break it down to, and in the next video we'll go over the parts you need to clean and lube and oil to get it going. So first thing, safety first. So we always want to check and make sure that the gun is unloaded. So we will open it up, make sure nothing's in the chamber, and okay, gun is clear. We'll let it go. Okay, so now comes the part where we take it apart. So what you want to do is you take the gun, put it like that, and you want to do is pull the trigger, and always pull the trigger in a safe direction. So whatever direction, if you're in the house, whatever your safe direction is, that's the direction you want to point the gun. That's where you're going to pull the trigger. Even though we know it's empty, you know, firearm. The first firearm safety rule is treat all guns as if they're loaded. So we'll pull the trigger, and you want to have it in the back position. If it's in the front position, front fire position, the slide is not going to come off. So you got to make sure that we have it all the way back. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to take your hand and put it across the slide like this here, and you're going to pull it back maybe 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little more or so. If you pull it back too far, the trigger's going to reset. That's how you know you went back too far. Now, what you'll do then is got a slide lock on this side and a slide lock on this side. We're going to pull both of the slide locks all the way down while we're holding it back. So you pull it back, grab your slide locks, pull them down, and you push the slide forward. And bam, voila. Now you got your grip and your slide. We'll put it to the side. So now we'll take your slide, and you want to get your recoil assembly. You're going to push it toward the front, toward the muzzle end, and pull up, and you're going to take your spring out, and then you grab your barrel by the locking cams, pull it up slightly, push it up, and pull it out. So when you're field stripping, this is as far as you need to go. So you're going to have, when you're done, you're going to have your grip, recoil assembly, your barrel, your slide. So just remember, one thing to remember too is after you pull the grip off, do not manually reset the trigger forward and then pull it back, because that may damage your trigger safety. And also the firing pin, do not pull it all the way back and let it spring forward, because that may damage the firing pin safety. So that's how you field strip your Glock. You want to put it back. It's going to be basically the same thing. So the next video we will go over how to clean. All right, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.